This truck has multiple active codes for the MPC, or the multi-position camera, for data erratic and losing voltage. We've tried to cure this issue a couple times in the past with reflashing the MPC camera, but the code keeps coming back. So after some deeper digging, I found that there's a service solution for the MPC camera where they moved the power supply to a pin that is controlled by the low voltage disconnect. So when the truck batteries fall beneath 12.7 volts, I believe, then it throws this code because it's not sending power to the multi-position camera. So with that information, I'm going to drop down the VPDM and open up this connector and basically just move where the pin is for the multi-position camera to a different pin location that is not on the same low voltage disconnect circuit. And if you don't know what low voltage disconnect is, it basically just cuts different loads at different battery levels. So if your batteries fall beneath 11.5 volts, then you're not going to get the lights to turn on in your cab or something like that. Oh, no. So if I remember correctly, for the MPC camera, I am moving the wire from D2 to D12. And the easiest way to do that is to remove the terminal from D2, cut the terminal off, and then add about 2 or 3 inches of extension wire so that we can fit up to D12. And this is exactly what Freightliner says to do in their service solution for this issue. They tell you to cut the terminal off and add a little wire to extend it. Now I'm going to test fit the terminal into the D12 cavity and make sure that I have enough length on the end. Wiring and electrical issues used to be my least favorite part of working on trucks or cars. But nowadays, it's just nice to be able to learn something new and actually fix something and see that it fixed it. Because there's no better way to feel like a wizard than to figure out some electrical issues. All that's left to do is connect our extension wire to the original wire. Then we're going to crimp everything down and make sure everything's sealed up. And before you put the connector into the back of the VPDM housing, make sure to put your green locking tabs back into both sides of the connector. I didn't do it here and I had to pull it back apart. If you've learned something in this video or you just want to follow along and see what job I do next or have any questions for me, make sure to follow my account, leave a like, a comment. Now get out there and get to work.